Hi, I am Ann, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Challenges of gray box testing. Some of the main drawbacks of gray box testing include 1. Potential for code being unseen. Gray box testing means that there are some aspects of the code that are hidden from the tester, and in the event of any issues arising in the test, this can lead to further issues. 2. Tests may be inaccurate if operations fail. Having accurate tests is a must in any form of software testing, with a higher degree of accuracy pointing teams towards updates that they can complete in future versions, in addition to helping a development team to be more confident in their products. 3. Struggles with distributed systems. Distributed systems refer to software systems that are hosted in several different places or reliant on features such as cloud-hosted data and processing services. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.